gray stagehead stands against the harbor sky, and along the far horizon a single seagull cries, and images of what used to be arising from the past, for it don't seem like tradition was ever meant to last. Standing along the shoreline, an old man looks out to sea, with aching hands and idle dreams of a life that used to be. He turns and starts to walk back home for the long day to begin, with a pain that lines his weathered face, for a fight that he can't win. So where do old boats go? Do they fade with the fisherman's soul? And how do old dreams die? They're gone like the mist against the early morning sky. It seems like only yesterday when he was just a lad, and although he's seen some hardships, it's never been this bad, for he always seemed to keep a home and feed his family. But what does he do now that he can't place a net within the sea? And now he worries about his only son who would carry on the trade. Will he now have to move away? Will the homestead finally fade? And what about that noble skiff in which he placed such trust? Will it finally end up just like him and vanish into dust? So where do old boats go? Do they fade with the fisherman's soul? And how do old dreams die? They're gone like the mist against the early morning sky. Old time was once when he was one with the sea and sky, but time is now he wonders how a way of life could die. So where do old boats go? Do they fade with the fisherman's soul? And how do old dreams die? Gone like the mist against the early morning sky. Gone like the mist against an early morning sky.